See this little Masonic emblem? Well, I'm going to solder it on to this clip for a pin. I don't know whether you can see that. I can't see it. There it is. I'm going to solder it on that clip. Now this is just a little bitty Masonic emblem. See if I can solder it on there. Now, need to get it straight. Need to get the thing straight now. See if I can get it straight the way I want it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that wasn't hard. Alright. This little soldering gun now. That little soldering gun is 35 watt. Now, we're going to solder this on there. Doesn't take, it's not hard. Anyone can do it. I like these little soldering guns. These little soldering guns are good. Now, little soldering guns are good. I think we got it. This soldering gun has a holder where you can put it, where it won't burn anything. It's got a stand. Got a little stand there, you can see. Anyway, this should be cool enough to look at now. Yeah, you can see it soldered it right on there. That's quick. Here's one that I'd soldered on earlier. I solder them on all the time, but I use that little soldering gun right there. That's the finest little soldering gun I've ever had. And I've had soldering iron since I was 12 years old. Well, you can tell I'm a long way from 12 years old now. Anyway, this is a pin that I make, and I use that soldering gun. And these use a cross refill. You ever run out of ink, just unscrew it, run down the nearest office supply and get you another one and screw it in there, and you're ready to go again. But now, this has a Masonic emblem on it. It's a rifle. That's a replica of a Winchester lever-action rifle. Now this one right here has a deer head on. I think that's about a 10-point buck that's on that one right there. That's not a Winchester though. That's just plain old clip. But now, here's a fish on one. Looks like a nice bass, but it's the same pin. These pins are made out of 308s. That looks like a badge there, a Lone Star badge, but it's on the Winchester 3030 replica. But now these pins are nickel plated, and that's gold plated, and the nib is gold plated also. So what I really want to show you was that little soldering iron, how easy it is, how quick it is. It solders it right on there. Anyway, anyone can use that little soldering iron, and I've got solder that comes with it. Fine little old soldering iron.